What's up? Welcome to another Raw Day Trading. And today was a bit of a mess. It was slow in the morning. I got maybe a little too excited on my entries on CING. Didn't get tuned into it till later. Playing aggressive in the wrong spots on the curl and kind of just like wasting time. Had a little recovery on TPST. Then I made a little bit back on CING, missing the best explosion into the halt up. Yeah. Uh, it was a big day, but let's get into it. Okay. So, stat wise, I'm sitting down flat, maybe down like $3 after having been down 500 earlier, and I am going to get right back into the recap. Okay. So let's go here into the open. This is playing on the top side of my size range at the moment, which is okay. I didn't lose a whole bunch compared. It's like I maybe lost like 10, 15 cents on a $5 name with with 2,000 shares for a $5 name, and I did not play it in this first opening rush. I did not like it. I thought it was. I just thought there wasn't much going on because the market was gapping up on good news, good data, and I didn't trust really anything as good data tends to take action out of the small cap market and focus it on the overall larger cap world. Things that were going today were like Tesla. I haven't really gotten into Tesla. In fact, I shorted it, and because the market was tanking and it was holding steady, and it just went in my face. Thank God I only had 100 shares on. Sounds like a lot, but it is really it's a large dollar amount, but not a large percentage. It moved like 70 cents against me, 60 cents against me really quickly, and I was just like, okay, well, c'est la vie. CING right here. Let's just get into how this moved, because this is my main goal today, is to just really tune into this one in this recap. In fact, break out my little practice sheet and we'll do some work here. Yeah, GOVX doesn't look beautiful, so I wasn't trading that. GNLN, it had a little bit of a pop, but the spreads were pretty wide at first, so I wasn't trading that. Actually, the volume was really, really low. It was 300 shares of volume, 300K. And then CING was what was moving and what was holding. And so naturally, I probably could have jumped in. Let's see where I would have jumped in. Do this little practice. Okay, so now I'm looking at this right here, and this is the chart right here. Now we're going to jump in. So breaking out the 50 is the target now. I want to see a little pullback here. Yeah, come on, baby. Okay, buy. Oh, wrong buy. Cut, and that's down. That'd be down to. Oh, and then it just kind of collates under there, chopping people up. Okay, how would I play it now? Yeah, I don't like that. Buy. These breakouts are going to be brutal. I don't even remember what happens. I don't think I was paying attention to this at this point. And cut. Hopefully I got cut at 88. We'll call that, or 48. We'll call that flat. This big seller coming in there, but it gets bought up. Yeah, it's going to go above 50. There we go. See, the problem with this one is unless you're getting in on one of those dips, which looks scary, it just looks like you're getting let in at the highs and then shot out at the lows every time it goes. And I don't like when that happens. And so generally, especially with size, I try to avoid these types of movements, at least at first, until I have a better read on it. And today I definitely did not have a good read or focus on it. As you probably can't see, but it's on my other chart right now. I'm actually focused on Tesla, not even looking at this name because I do not like how it's moving. I don't trust it. And I'm actively looking around, changing charts, looking through the scanner, keeping alert for other things that are going to go because this just looks like a trap of traps here. It's been creeping up all morning since 5:30. It's been creeping up till 6:30. So for the last hour, making these like micro highs and then reversing, micro high, reversing, micro high, reversing, higher high, higher low. I don't believe that it's a strong enough environment for it to actually go, even though it does start moving here. I don't like it, but just because I don't like it doesn't mean I'm right. And let's see where I could have got in. What would have looked good? Don't like that. Okay, buy. Fucker. Yeah, and so like my timing is off on these. Sell. Oh, I'd be losing a good amount there. Probably another 7 cents or so. 2,000 shares, it's like $1.50. Okay. Yeah. See if I can like replay that. Get it a little bit more tuned in. Okay. Holding buy. So. See, even that, like, I would have got out at 76, coming in for maybe 71, 2 or 3, given slippage, and it just doesn't. It's moving pretty quickly with 2,000 shares, which is okay for it to move fast. It's just I need to figure out where the spots are to buy on this sort of action, and so now it's pushing. It's pushing. Where do you get in? It's holding under 75. I think the bet for the break above 75 after it fakes a breakdown here would be the move. So it's holding, buy. Yeah. Okay, so holding. Ooh, holding. Ooh, it's looking ugly. It's looking ugly, but is it going to break? Yeah, it's not looking good. Not looking good at all. But that can change. Holding and hoping now. Holding and hoping. Sell. And then buy back. No. Oh, just keeps flashing. There's lots of people trying to scalp this, I think. I think that's what it is. There's no set motion. Sell. Okay, so that would have been 1L, 1 flat, and I would have missed it. Oh, fuck, there it goes. Bye. Fucking kidding me. Sell. I gotta edit that. Okay. Bye. Sell. Okay, it's not breaking above 81. Buy. Sell. Flat. Buy. Oh, sucker. Sucker buy. Real sucker sell. Okay. What did I do there? Okay, so what was wrong with that? I was watching it, it's coming down here. It's doing this like, it dumped once, And then I wait for it to dump again. And I was buying into like the break of 50. Kind of would have worked actually. So I think I just bought a little too high. Okay. Okay, coming down. Wait for the break. Buy. Oh, I would have got filled high there. Buy. Fucking still getting filled high. Someone's buying right there. Buy. Hopefully I'm getting filled low there. And waiting for it to pop above 50 here. Waiting, 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 waiting. Sell. All right. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. There we go. Holding. Holding. Sell. Okay. So that was just like a really long string of small cuts within the last fucking 1 minute or so. Let's see what I could have done differently here. Waiting for the break of 50. Waiting for some more solid. Okay. Where are we at? Where could we have bought? Yeah, breakdown, 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 breakdown. No, not buy. Sell. Flat. I mean, but it's back up. It's not that this action is like ununderstandable. It's just that there's a lot of people participating and it moves very quickly. So part of the challenge is being able to keep track of the action at the speed that it's going. And I mean, that's just part of reading the tape, though. This is quick tape, lots of nerves. Actually, I'm not trading. I wasn't trading it, so I'm okay with it. This ARAW, whatever, dumb stock. I just didn't catch any momentum. Or ARAY, this one that I order came out right here on this side. I really should have been focused on CING, at least until ARAY had a little bit more action on it. Okay, be better at the focus. Focus. All right, 2 seconds. Be right back. All right, back in it. Okay, so now it's like, is it going to start going? It's breaking above. Let's see if we can get it for a breakout. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Cool. So, okay. So I had break even when a little bit below break even. So now it's running into that ascending resistance. Let's see if it makes a breakdown here. Descending resistance. Whatever. And that shit matters. Really. Okay, who's in? Who's in? Who's in? Big buyer. See if that big buyer gets sold into. Sometimes it's funny when like people place orders out. Either it's longs, shorts, or I think these consolidated what are they called? It's like the citadels. They're like market makers that are consolidating like a bigger order, and they don't want to like fill it really high. Buy. Sell. Oof. That was a bad loss. Okay, let's see if we could divert that. Buy. Sell. It would have been break even, whatever. Buy. Sell. Fuck. Buy. Sell. So small and then big loss. Big loss is relative. It's really not that big. It's just a couple, like 7 cents or so. I'm just practicing with 2,000 shares in my head. So I'm just thinking, okay, there's another 150, and it's really because the entries that I'm taking just aren't ideal, and so the ideal entry or the entry that would have worked on this one would have been the close here of the candle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and buy. Just holding that. That would have been the best entry. Yeah, it's flirting, but it's not really going below. And you're like waiting for the creep above, and you're like, sell. Okay. See, now that's that's what that is. Yeah, that's how you edit it. Hindsight is 2020, baby. All right. Whoa, where'd that come from? I didn't see that. All right, I jumped a little bit ahead there. So it's going. Bye. Holding, holding, holding. Sell. Buy. Holding. Hold. Sell. Buy. Sell. There we go. Okay. Well, I'll give myself one win for that because I kind of saw what happened already. I knew it was going to that candle, so partial credit for playing it okay. I did have problems on fills on this one, I remember. Let me see if we can get to some. Yeah. Let's see what the timestamps are. was this drop out of nowhere. I almost got caught in a halt down with GNLN, but I was only trading with 100 shares. It's like a tester, trying to get better at these. I mean, it's obviously an ugly chart. Let me get this into focus here. It's breaking, breaks down, tries to get bought up. A little bit harder to see on this, but it's this chart right here, and then breaks down below the attempted breakdown. And it's kind of hesitating just above the whole level, so I'm like, I'm going to buy it here, you see? And hesitating, should have sold there. Sold there, though, and I'm out for a small amount. That's fine. Man, oh man. TPST at this time, it starts moving. Okay. 954, 1001. Okay, so TPST. Here's where I try to get in. Down $100 on the day. A little bit annoyed. Or no, it's CING. What I was thinking here is a shot from the 25s up to 50. Huh. I'm waiting here for a break to 25. Break down from 431 to 425. And it doesn't look like it wants to give it to me. That's fine. I should buy it right there. Oh, okay. Okay. That'd be another small loss. Oh, then it's down to. There we go. Buy. Nice. Nice, waiting for the flash lower. That was a good trade. I should be selling here. And I'm selling. Boom. Out of 25. Not too shabby, eh? And it keeps going. That's okay. So that was the first green trade that I had on CING. Oh boy, I traded a couple times more. What is this nonsense? Do I try to buy back, or is it a different one? Where did I trade before? Oh, I traded elsewhere another time. Okay. Okay, so I do that. ARA is going. I keep trying to time that. It's not. I lose maybe like $70 on it. It's flying. CING goes to where I wanted it to, but it's into some levels here, and it keeps going actually. And so now this is where I start to fuck myself as it starts doing this undulation here. And then TPST starts going. Oh, that's annoying. That's annoying. Should have had that. Yeah. $10.07. Yeah. Okay. So 10:07. Let's go back to that. That's something I have marked out. Okay. What was I watching? Watching for a 5-minute curl, but probably not on CING, but it does curl. Slightly too slow on TPST. And so I was watching CING, and then TPST starts rolling here on this side. And I'm just a little bit slower than I need to be. I probably should be. Okay. Holding, holding, holding. 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 Buy. Buy. So. Buy. So. Buy. Okay. Holding. I want 75 here. So. Okay. Okay. Buy. So. Flat on that. Okay. So that was 10. Okay, so 10:13 is where I lose money. This is the money losing part. Let's see what we can learn from here. Was it a good trade? Was it a bad trade? All that stuff. Okay. So this is 10:11. It looks like it's going to start to roll. Either that or do complete reversal on the 5-minute. And it looks like it's pull back here. I want 50. And I think it's going to go to 50. The spread opens up right when I buy normal, but I don't know. On big size, it's just really annoying. It's not looking great. Not looking great. And I cut it. Okay. So that, I take a nice little L. It was small though. It was like 150. Okay. But then it's like right back above, like once I take it. And so I'm like, well, shiver me timbers. You got me. And then I buy higher. I think it's going to do a breakout. Get filled at 45. It's above my entry for 0.1 seconds. And now it's holding below, and I'm like, and now I'm holding. Now I'm irritated, and I should have cut there. Should definitely be cutting here. I should 1,000% be cutting there, and I cut here, and I get filled at 37. So that's 8 cents of loss, and now I'm down $300. Okay, so what are my thoughts on this? Because this was annoying, very annoying, incredibly annoying. One, it looks like a double top. Two, it doesn't look like it has the momentum to really, really rip. And so what I'm playing for is small little cheap shots. And if I'm playing for small little cheap shots, then the size is probably, I mean, oh, jeez, the spread when that opened up was just annoying. Oh, I held way too long. That's really what it was. Held too long. And give me 1 second. I have an inspector here. All right, and then yeah, that was the hardest part. All right, I'll leave it there and wrap this up because I do have to do stuff now. So peace.